Trash laying around? Hey, it's not trash. We can use that. And today, since it's quite snowy outside, we're gonna do so. I'm gonna make crafts today. With tin cans. Use some glue gun. Also, I have a cardboard here. I have my new glue gun. I didn't use that one before, so definitely gonna use some rope too. And we'll just have a little bit of fun with a couple of crafting ideas. Some of them I found inspiration on the internet, some of them I just came up with. So let's have some fun together. For the first one, I take some rope, a little bit bigger can, because I want to put the plant in there, one of my succulents upstairs in there afterwards. The paper didn't come completely off, but you're not going to see that afterwards anymore anyhow. So let's get started. So all I'm going to do now is, little by little, put some glue on the can. I have it on, because it's a dual glue gun, I have it on low, since it's just, so because of the rope, that doesn't need to be high temperature. And go up here. They'll bring you back when I have a row or two to show you how it's gonna look like. Alright, that's how it looks so far. I'm of course not done yet. And even after that, I still want to make it a little bit more pretty. But if I get sure that the gaps are already closed, that's already a good foundation. A really easy starter project. You can do that with kids too. Just be careful with the glue gun. The glue is of course hard, and I only have some leftover rope here. It's not the prettiest rope possible, but for that, I think I like that rustic big rope lawn. So I'll get that first step done. And I'll show you when I'm at the top, and then we go from there. Alright, the first step is done. I did get sure that I put the top, the end a little bit inside and got high enough that really there's no more of the can looking out. I can't put it up here since I only use it as a planter anyhow. That's gonna look fine this way. So now we're gonna go to step 2. I gave it a little bit of color with a couple of different colored rope. I put a couple of the herbs I normally use for tea or tincture on it, because I think that fits so well with a planter. And now I only have to get me some soil later and put that in there, and it's done. That's the first one. I'm finally feeling a little bit better. I'm still not having a lot of voice, so that video is getting a little bit shorter than I originally planned. I wanted to do a second craft in this video, but what I did now is, no, that plant is not in the middle of the pot because a plant is not in the middle of the root ball, so that's how it is. But I decided I'm gonna use that one as a planter, put one of my succulents in it and fill it up with soil. It does not yet has hole at the bottom. I might do that later. You can easily do that with just drilling some holes in the bottom. You also can use it to for organizing, putting pens in it, putting small stuff in it, depending on which size of the can you take. What else you can do, what I wanted to do in that video, let me know if you want the video from it. I'm gonna do it for sure. As I make one with stick. It's gonna look real nice. You can also use milk bottles and soda bottles. Probably gonna make that myself too, but not all on the video probably, because you don't want to see the same stuff again and again. But I might gonna post a picture of those things on the community tab if you would like to have that. Sorry, my dog is enjoying his ball. But that's the first upcycle project I did on video with my new glue gun. Let me know if you want to see more of those. I definitely gonna do more. I collected a lot of tin cans, soda bottles, and milk bottles, and egg cartons, and boxes, and all that kind of stuff, so I can show you much more different projects if you want me to. I'll definitely gonna make some lanterns and some other really nice ideas, and I can make more videos about that too. I can make that second project as well on video if you would like to see it, or just post a picture of it later soon as I can talk a little bit more again. Sorry that last week didn't come a video out at all, but my boyfriend was sick the whole last week, and towards the weekend I caught it too. We were both down with fever and headache and sore throat and coughing. I think we got us a really nice flu. But he's back healthy. I'm getting close, and we are being back in action again now. So that's the first Upcycle project for the channel. Let me know if you want to see more. Please like and subscribe if you like videos about upcycling and homesteading and gardening, and maple season coming up soon. We're gonna make maple syrup together, and foraging, home remedies, all coming up soon here. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. And if you like that video, YouTube gonna show you a video up here that's gonna be perfect for you. I post a playlist as well if you like to watch something else. And thank you for watching. Until the next time, stay prepared and sustainable.